Hi everyone! Thank you again for tuning in. Welcome back to our channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next videos. Today we are going to open a box. So let's see what's inside this box through FedEx. Okay. It says pull to open. We'll pull this one. Oh, that's neat. There's like this string here. And then open sesame. Oh, empty. I want more. So this is the returns in case we have to return. So they sent us this sticker. If something is not right, we can return it using this return ticket or sticker. So we will open this now. A lined bottom of peel and stick air bill or pouch here. This one. There you go. We have two phones. We have two iPhones here. There you go. With a OtterBox case. With an OtterBox case. Here. Two phones. So we have two iPhones. I can see myself. So we'll see what kind of phone is this. There you go. New iPhone setup instructions. So this is only a short video. We got the phones through FedEx. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless you all.